Hello and welcome to Contractor's Point of View. My name is Gary, and what do I got for you today? Well, we are going to be taking a look at the Wiha Precision Screwdrivers. Specifically this set, but I want to talk about Wiha Precision Screwdrivers in general. So let's get to it. Alright, so we're going to keep this short and sweet. What can I tell you about Wiha Precision Screwdrivers? Well, this set here I picked up on Amazon. I'll throw a link in the description. I bought this because I wanted to put this in my wife's toolbox so that she would have something to use around the house anytime. As you can tell, I haven't opened it yet. Anyway, so she can have something to use whenever she needs a precision screwdriver. So you might be thinking, okay, what do I need a precision screwdriver for? Well, it can be anything from opening remote covers, or sometimes the toys come with screwdrivers or screws that you have to open the battery compartment. Maybe gaming controller screws comes loose, or maybe your laptop or something you want to get into it yourself. Definitely all kinds of uses for precision screwdrivers. Now, I've been using Wiha for quite a while now. I picked up my first Wiha screwdriver as part of a kit, and I didn't even know that it was actually a Wiha screwdriver. I thought it was the brand of the kit that I picked up. And it turns out that after I did some research, I found out that it was the Wiha brand, and I ended up ordering more of the Wiha screwdrivers for me and my crew to use, at least for the crew part that tends not to lose screwdrivers. Otherwise they get the big box store special. But that aside, Wiha makes some really good screwdrivers, and after I used that screwdriver for my first project, I knew from that moment on that I wanted to keep using Wiha screwdrivers because the tips last a very, very long time. And in fact, I'm going to show you here, these three are the ones I keep in my tool pouch. Now, I have one Phillips, and I have a flathead that's narrower but longer, and then I have a flathead that's a little bit wider. It's about 9/64, and you might notice this is the orange handle. Well, this is the screwdriver that I had come in that first kit. And you can see the little Wiha branding right here, if I can get it to focus in the camera. But there's your Wiha branding. So I picked this guy up like I said, as part of a kit, and the tip is still in great shape. You can tell it's a little worn, but it is definitely not twisted. It is still straight, still very usable. And like I said, I really like these screwdrivers because the shaft goes all the way into the handle, so that when you have to torque on it, it's part of the handle. It won't break off right here like some of the other screwdrivers do. And this one too goes into the handle, and then the Phillips as well. This one's really very solid body, so it doesn't flexes very much. But those three are the ones I keep in my tool bag every day that I use on controls, refrigeration, HVAC, electrical. So that's those. Now this kit comes with a variety of sizes. This guy here is similar to the one that I carry as far as size goes, and this guy over here at this end is similar to the wider flat blade that I carry. Now they do have the very small. These can be used, this one is super small. It can be used on like eyeglasses, cell phones. They make kits for cell phones as well, but they've got some super small precision screwdrivers, and these are really nice because the tips won't wear out on you. They are just they're incredible. So you can go on their website, or you can go to Amazon, and they usually have multiple sizes. And if you need to order anything different, I recommend the Wiha website. I will throw that down below. And then if you want to get this kit specifically, just to have a full range of precision drivers around your house, I will throw a link for that on Amazon in the description. But anyway, that's what I got for you on the Wiha Precision Screwdrivers. Like I said, these are my choice of screwdrivers. This guy, let me think, dun, 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 is at least 4 years old. 4 years. Insane that I'm still using a 4-year-old control screwdriver, but that's how good they are. And just to give you an idea, the projects that I work on, I'm screwing anywhere from 500 to 1,000 screws per project, and we've been doing lots of projects since that. So that's been through some fun stuff. But anyway, those are what I got. I didn't want to make this video too long, but I would definitely recommend the Wiha Precision set. And well, until next time, everybody stay safe.